Hey guys, Tinsley Mitchell with Living in Central Mississippi, and if you're looking for a new or existing construction home in an already established neighborhood with a coastal feel, unique architecture, and beautiful water views located in a super convenient location, if so, stay tuned for today's updated neighborhood tour of Arbour Landing. And we will do a walkthrough tour so you can get an idea of what type of home you can get in this neighborhood. So first, let's talk about location. Arbour Landing is located in Rankin County in Brandon 39047 off of Fannin Landing Circle on the 33,000-acre Ross Barnett Reservoir. Shopping and dining in Dogwood Festival Market is only a short 15-minute drive. There is a large selection of stores, fine and casual dining. Next, let's talk about schools. Arbour Landing is located in the North Shore Elementary School Zone and Northwest Rankin Middle and High School. There is also Hartfield Academy and Madison Ridgeland Academy in the same proximity. All of these schools are from 7 to 15 minutes from the neighborhood. Now let's get to the info everybody wants to know. What's a home in Arbour Landing cost? Well, during the last 12 months, there were 11 homes sold, ranging in price from $559,000 up to $700,000. The last remaining new phase homes are ranging from $414,900 to $489,900. The builder of these homes is even offering incentives such as money to buy down interest rate, fence, gutters, etc. You can use it however you like. There are 4-bedroom, 3-bath floor plans available, as well as 3-bedroom, 3-bath that you can explore and choose from, with square footage ranging from 2342 to 2768 square feet. Many of the homes are on quarter-acre lots, and there is also paved walking paths. The neighborhood is equipped with a green space, playground, pool, and marina with pool slips available to purchase or rent. There is even talk about possibility of a restaurant in the near future. Arbour Landing HOA fees are currently $900 annually. There's also a leasehold fee associated, which typically averages out at about $80 per month. Currently, there are 5 active listings in Arbour Landing, and several waterfront lots are available. Also, if you wanted to build your own. If you think you'd like to call Arbour Landing home, be sure to check out our website, www.taylorgroupms, and sign up for email alerts so you're the first to know when a new home goes on the market. It has every home in our MLS listed and is updated every 10 minutes. I'll post a link below to all the active listings.
We're going to take a quick walkthrough tour of 270 Arbor Trails, and this is one of the new construction homes in Phase 3 of Arbour Landing. It is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2786 square feet, and it is priced at $489,900. So you walk up, you do have a porch, double front doors, walk into a foyer area with a storage closet. It does have an open floor plan for the living and kitchen combo. You even have a dining over there at the back. It does have built-ins, gas fireplace. Moving on to the kitchen, you do have granite countertops, gas stoves, stainless steel appliances. And off of the kitchen, you do have a little hallway to your primary. It does feature vaulted ceilings. Real hardwood throughout. Primary bath, granite ceilings, double vanity, full-length mirror throughout. Soaking tub. Separate shower that is tiled. Primary closet, you have plenty of hanging space, storage, shelves. So this one does feature a walkthrough, so it does connect to the laundry room, which a lot of people really love this feature. You have plenty of cabinet space, folding station. So this is coming back out to the hallway from the garage door. You do have a drop zone. So kitchen, kind of give you an idea of where we are. Really large walk-in pantry, plenty of storage. And this one even has an office. I know office is important to a lot of people. And it's a really good size, a lot of cabinets and desk space. We'll head over to this side of the house. So it is a split plan where the other bedrooms are on the other side downstairs. You do come over, you have a bedroom on each side of the hallway. And these bedrooms are really good size. Double hanging walk-in closets. Granted, also in this bath with tiled shower, this is a bath and shower combo. Third bedroom downstairs. Go ahead and show you the back porch and backyard before we head upstairs. So you do have a large back porch that is covered with detail on top. This one is already fenced. You have a good sized flat backyard. Next we'll head upstairs and we'll show you the bonus / fourth bathroom. So it does have wood stairs going all the way to the top. And this can be a bonus room or the fourth bedroom. It's very large. You do have attic storage, and then that is a closet. And it does feature a full bath up here. Granite, walk-in shower, storage. You can come out. And you do have water view from the front of your house. And that is what $489,000 new construction will get you in Arbour Landing.
So that wraps up the tour of Arbour Landing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have a particular neighborhood in Rankin County that you'd like a tour of, just comment below and I'll check it out. Thank you and see you next video.